In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design sports jersey in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a professionally designed layout and turn it into a jersey that reflects your team's colors, name, and style. Once you're inside Canva, start by going to the Templates section. This is the fastest way to find polished starting points instead of building from a blank canvas. Templates are organized and searchable, so you can quickly zero in on layouts that already feel athletic and game-ready. In the search bar within Templates, type Sports Jersey. This tells Canva to surface designs tailored for jerseys and kit graphics. If you have a specific sport in mind, you can refine your search with terms like soccer, basketball, or baseball to better match common panel shapes, number placements, and typography styles found in that sport. Now browse through the results and take a moment to evaluate a few options. Look for strong number visibility, clear placement for team names and logos, and color blocking that suits your brand. Many thumbnails give you a sense of the overall structure at a glance. Think about how the design would scale to actual print size and whether the contrast will keep names and numbers readable from a distance. Also note whether a template showcases both front and back concepts or just a single side. Either can work, but it helps to know what you're starting with. When you find a layout that feels close to your vision, click Customize this template. Canva will open it in the editor so you can make it your own, while keeping all the underlying structure that made the template look good in the first place. From here, you can edit the template to match your team identity. Start with text. Replace placeholders with your team name, player name, and number. Use the toolbar to choose bold, athletic fonts, adjust size, and fine-tune letter spacing and line height for balance. Next, update colors to match your brand. Select backgrounds or shapes and apply your team palette so stripes, side panels, and accent areas feel cohesive. If you have specific color values, use them for perfect consistency. Add your logo by bringing it into the design and positioning it on the chest, sleeve, or collar area used by the template. Use alignment guides to center elements, group related items so they move together, and duplicate shapes for symmetrical designs. Create quick variants by duplicating the page and inverting colors for home and away kits. Throughout, keep legibility in mind. Jersey numbers should stand out against the background, and text should never get lost in busy patterns. Wrap up with a quick visual check at different zoom levels to confirm balance and clarity. And that's the process. Start in Templates, search Sports Jersey, browse thoughtfully, customize the template, and then refine the design until it looks game ready.